Heading cross-country means more than just filling up the tank. It's a test of your car, your packing skills, and your patience. Today, I'm giving you 15 cross-country car hacks to help you drive farther, safer, and smarter, with fewer stops and fewer surprises. Let's hit the road epic style. 1. Install a multi-port USB hub for every passenger. Don't fight over charging cords. Plug in a multi-port USB hub and route it with cable clips. Everyone stays powered, and peace is preserved. 2. Preload. Rest stop locations into your navigation. Rest stops can be miles apart, especially through rural states. Mark key stops on your GPS before you leave for fuel, food, and bathrooms, so you're never caught off guard. 3. Pack an emergency food box with shelf-stable snacks. Gas stations get expensive and unreliable fast. Stash a small plastic bin with protein bars, dried fruit, peanut butter, and instant noodles for hunger emergencies. 4. Bring a compact air mattress for resting in the back seat or trunk. Sometimes you can't find a motel or just want to nap. A blow-up mattress designed for back seats or cargo areas turns your car into a hotel on wheels. 5. Use reflective tape on luggage and gear. Nighttime unloading or roadside repacking. Add reflective tape to coolers, bins, and duffel bags so they're visible at night without digging or squinting. 6. Carry a 12 volts mini tire inflator, not just a pressure gauge. Tire low in the middle of Wyoming? A plug-in tire inflator is a must for cross-country travelers. It's compact, fast, and can save your trip. 7. Download local weather radar apps along your route. Crossing multiple states? Download radar-based weather apps for each region. Knowing when to avoid tornado zones or icy passes can change your entire day. 8. Install a dash cam to record the journey and protect yourself. Whether it's for epic scenery or unexpected encounters, a reliable dash cam captures everything. Plus, it helps in case of accidents or road disputes. 9. Pack 1 extra quart of oil and coolant. Long drives mean long engine hours. Even if your car's fine now, a spare quart of oil and a jug of coolant can be a literal lifesaver 500 miles in. 10. Carry a dedicated trash bag you can seal and toss easily. Wrappers, bottles, and receipts pile up fast. Bring a trash bag with a drawstring, not a flimsy plastic grocery sack, so you can tie it off and ditch it at the next rest stop. 11. Bring an actual road atlas or fold-out map. Yes, really. If your GPS dies or the app crashes, a paper map of the US keeps you grounded and heading the right direction. No batteries required. 12. Download gas station loyalty apps before you start. Many chains like Pilot, Love's, or TA offer gas discounts or free drinks. Download them before the trip and rack up savings along the way. 13. Create a quick grab bag for items you'll need often. Store your toll pass, hand sanitizer, napkins, coins, and sunglasses in a bag that sits between the seats. No digging in backpacks or glove boxes at 70 miles per hour. 14. Tape a copy of your VIN and plate number inside the glove box. If your vehicle is towed, you get a ticket or need to file anything while traveling. Having your VIN and license plate number on hand is a huge time saver. 15. Schedule a mid-trip checkup. If you're gone more than 2 weeks. If you're crossing the country and staying gone, schedule a midway service stop. Even just an oil top-off or tire rotation can prevent breakdowns during the return journey. And there you have it. 15 cross-country car hacks to help you travel farther, smoother, and smarter. Because an epic trip deserves epic prep. Be sure to check the description below for my top recommended tools and resources. If you enjoy this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And if you don't want to wait for my next video to come out, check out this one on the screen. Got your own road-tested tip? Share it in the comments. Like this video if you're ready to hit the highway. Subscribe for more car hacks, travel prep, and long-haul wisdom every single week. Until next time, pack smart, drive far, and enjoy every mile of the journey.